What up guys, in this video we're going to learn how to build a scanner in ThinkorSwim. For today's example, I'm going to be building a scanner based on fundamental analysis, geared for swing trading and long-term investing. And after this video, you'll be able to scan for stocks with great opportunities that beginner traders can invest and profit from. And after we're done building it, I'll show you how to display your own personal scanner as a watch list. Now in order to build the scanner, you need to navigate to the Scan tab, then go to Stock Hacker. Here, you can filter through thousands of stocks based on your search criteria. In the first section labeled all of the following, this will scan for stocks with any of the filters or metrics added here. In the next section labeled none of the following, this will exclude stocks with any of the filters or metrics added here. So let's go ahead and start adding some metrics. Navigate to Add Filter on the right hand side under the All of the Following section. Click on Stock, then head over to the drop menu. And first, we need a market cap. There we go. And we are looking for small caps because they have the most opportunity. So the market cap is calculated in millions. So we need a minimum of 250 million and a maximum of 1 billion, which is 1,000 million. Next up, let's add another filter, choose stock. And this time we're gonna filter stocks based on their price. Choose mark, and we need to look for minimum $20 stocks. Next up, let's go back to add filter. And let's add a couple fundamentals. First, let's add the return on equity. Let's make sure it's year-over-year percentages. And we need a minimum of 5% return on equity. Next up, let's add the earnings per share. Let's make sure it's year-over-year percentages. And we need a minimum of 10% earnings per share. Last but not least, let's add the net profit margin. Make sure it's year-over-year percentages, and we need a minimum of 20% net profit margin. Once you are done, navigate to the green scan button on the right-hand side and click Scan. Now we have a list of very safe stocks with potentially great opportunities that beginner traders can invest and profit from. But don't just randomly pick a stock. You need to do your own due diligence and pick the one you're most comfortable with. You can change the amount of stocks shown in here from 50 to 200 if you want. Click Scan. I remember I invested in my first stock ever using this screener. Back in 2018, I bought a real estate stock around $50 per share and forgot about it, not knowing till a year later when I opened the account back again that my position was now worth $150 per share. So I tripled my investment while swinging on it. Now in order to display your scanner on a watch list, we need to save it first. Navigate to the 3 bars icon under the scan button, click on it and select Save as Watch List. Let's give it a name, Save Fundamental Stocks. Click on Save. Now you can go to any watch list, click on a title, go to Personal, and we just named it Save Fundamental Stocks. And now you have your own personal scanner displayed as a watch list. So, thank you guys for watching. And if you think this video has helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Peace.